tó mo tún kí ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ káàbọ̀ sí kíláàsì èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú ọ̀gbẹ́ni Táíwò. I'm welcoming you all to Yoruba class with ọ̀gbẹ́ni Táíwò. Today we'll be considering the tonations in Yoruba language. A fẹ́ ṣe àyẹ̀wò àwọn àmì ohùn tó wà nínú èdè Yorùbá. Àyẹ̀wò àmì ohùn. Ami-ohun means tonations in Yoruba. And if you are familiar with the tonic sofa in music, the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, I think this should not be strange to you anyways. So àwọn àmì ohùn tó wà nínú èdè Yorùbá. Àmì ohùn mẹ́ta ló wà lédè Yorùbá. We have 3 tonations in Yoruba language. Just 3. We have 3. And àmì ohùn alákọ̀ọ́kọ́, the first tonation is àmì ohùn ìsàlẹ̀ do, do. Àmì ohùn ìsàlẹ̀ do. So this sign, this stroke is standing for the sign for àmì ohùn ìsàlẹ̀, and we can also represent it with D letter. Letter D stand for do, do. You can see as if you stretch out your left hand side. If you stretch out your left hand, it shows do. tó bá na ọwọ́ òsì, ọwọ́ àlàáfíà rẹ síta, wá rí pé ó kọ do nígbà tó nà síta ó fẹ́ ké hallelujah. So it's do sound. The second tonation is re. Re. Usually we don't always, or let me say, according to the rule of orthography, we are not using re sound. So any words in Yoruba that doesn't have tonation on it, so it means the tonation is silent. It's re sound. It's re. So we don't usually use re sound, but anytime tá a bá ti rí pé kò sí àmì lórí ọ̀rọ̀, that is re, and the symbol for it is hyphen, or we use R sound. And the third tonation is mi, which is the upper ami-ohun òkè. Òun ni mi. Mi, ami-ohun òkè ni mi. Mi. So àwọn ami-ohun mẹ́ta tó wà lédè Yorùbá ni do, re, mi. If you want to practicalize this, just stretch out your 2 ends as if you want to receive something. Just stretch it out. Kó na ọwọ́ méjèèjì síta, kó gbé sókè nígbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ tán ní hands up. So when you raise your 2 hands up, so your left hand is standing for do, while your right hand is standing for mi. So that is a very fast example. Okay, now a fẹ́ wá wo àpẹẹrẹ àwọn àmì ohùn yìí lórí ọ̀rọ̀. The first one is ilé. Ilé. Don't forget, mo sọ wípé tí kò bá ti sí àmì lórí ọ̀rọ̀, that is re. So this e now is re, and this is mi sound. So that is why this tonation will be called re mi. Re mi. Re mi. That is house. Ilé, house. Ìwé, do mi, book. Ìwé, do mi, book. Owó, owó, re mi, morning. Àga, 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 that is do re, chair. Ẹja, ẹja, fish. Ajá, ajá, re mi, dog. Bàbá, bàbá, father. Ayọ̀, ayọ̀, joy. Aṣọ, 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 aṣọ is rere. Aṣọ, rere. Igi, rere, igi, also rere. Bàtà, bàtà, that is dodo, dodo. Ìfẹ́, ìfẹ́, that's do mi. Orí, orí, re mi, orí. Ojú, ojú, re mi. Imú, re mí, eyín, re mí, ẹnu, that is rere, ọwọ́, re mí, ẹsẹ̀, redo, ìka, dore, ìka, dore. So all these are showing us how to pronounce words in Yoruba, and especially all these are two-syllabic word. So maybe next time we're going to consider 3 and 4 letter word, but today we are considering how to put donation on two-syllabic word. You can see ojú, imú, bàtà, orí, all of them they are two-syllabic words. So let's go over all those words again. Ilé, re mí, ìwé, do mí, owó, re mí, àga, dore, ẹja, rere, ajá, re mí, bàbá, do mí, ayọ̀, redo, aṣọ, rere, igi, rere. We also have bàtà, dòdò, ìfẹ́, do mí, orí, re mí, ojú, re mí, imú, re mí, eyín, re mí, ẹnu, rere, ọwọ́, re mí, ẹsẹ̀, redo, and ìka, which is do, re. So I'm going to allow you to pronounce all this word. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. Whenever you see this sound, this is a, ta, ba, ta. You can see the do sound. Ìfẹ́, do mí, and anytime there is no tonation, that is re. Is that clear? Alright, this is where I'm going to be saying goodbye for today. If there is any question, you can let me know so that I can give you more explanation. Thank you for your time. This is Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. Ó dàbọ̀.